Hello, pre-calculus students. We are now going over problem 27 in our midterm review packet. So, for problem 27, we are transforming e to the x to negative 1/3 e to the x plus 1. And so what we need to do is look at our functions and see how those transformations will take place. So first we have a negative sign as part of our coefficient outside of the function. All right? We have a negative sign for a coefficient outside of the function. So that negative sign outside the function is going to cause an x-axis reflection. We also have a 1/3 as our coefficient. That 1/3 as our coefficient, remember that 1/3 is outside of the function, so that's going to cause a vertical shrink. Remember, coefficients outside of the function, they're a shrink if it's a fraction, and they stretch if it is a number greater than 1. So this is a vertical shrink. And it's a shrink by 1/3. Lastly is that plus 1. That plus 1 is outside of the function. Because that plus 1 is outside of the function, it's just going to, adding or subtracting terms outside the function is going to shift it up or down. So that's just going to be a shift up 1. All right? So we have a vertical shrink by 1/3, an x-axis reflection, and a shift up 1, and those are all the transformations of f of x is equal to e to the x into g of x equals negative 1/3 e to the x plus 1. All right, that's 27.